Andrew's about 14 months now. He was just dancing a few minutes ago. Wanna dance? There he goes. He can put his shapes in his shape sorter. Aren't you gonna dance? You've been playing outside a lot lately. Yes, we have. There he is. I turned the music on and he started dancing. That was the first time. You gonna wreck in your chair? See where he is now. Uh-oh. Not where you're supposed to be, are you? No, no cords, remember? Here. Come here. Uh-oh, where's Andrew? Peekaboo! Look at all those teeth. We got 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom. No cords. Whoa! There he is! No cords. We go over this. No, no. Uh-oh, where'd he go? Andrew, I see you. Gotcha.